Personal finance encompasses managing your money, as well as saving and investing. It includes budgeting, banking, insurance, mortgages, investments, and planning for retirement, taxes, and estates. The term often refers to the entire industry that offers financial services and advice to individuals and households regarding financial and investment opportunities. Individual goals and desires, along with a plan to meet those needs within financial constraints, significantly influence how one approaches these areas. To maximize your income and savings, becoming financially savvy is essential. This knowledge will help you differentiate between good and bad advice and make informed financial decisions. A lack of understanding in managing finances and maintaining financial discipline has caused Americans to accumulate significant debt. In February 2024, the Federal Reserve Bank reported that household debt had risen by $3.4 trillion since December 2019, before the recession. As Americans increasingly rely on debt to finance their purchases, managing personal finances has become more crucial than ever, especially with inflation eroding purchasing power and prices continuing to rise. The 5 areas of personal finance are income, saving, spending, investing, and protection. First is income. Income is the foundation of personal finance. It encompasses all cash inflows you receive, which can be allocated to expenses, savings, investments, and protection. This includes salaries, wages, dividends, and other sources of cash inflow. Second is spending. Spending represents the outflow of cash and is typically where most of your income goes. It includes expenditures on rent, mortgage, groceries, hobbies, dining out, home furnishings, home repairs, travel, and entertainment. Effective management of spending is crucial to personal finance. Ensuring that spending is less than income is essential to avoid debt and financial strain, especially given the high interest rates associated with credit cards. Third is saving. Savings consist of the income remaining after spending. It's important to have savings to cover large expenses or emergencies. Despite the difficulty of not using all your income, it is advisable to save at least a portion to manage any fluctuations in income and expenses, ideally, enough to cover 3 to 12 months of expenses. Beyond that, idle cash in a savings account loses purchasing power due to inflation. Instead, surplus funds should be invested to maintain or grow in value. Fourth is investing. Investing involves purchasing assets, such as stocks and bonds, to earn returns on the invested money. The goal is to increase wealth beyond the initial investment. However, investing carries risks, as not all assets appreciate and can result in losses. For those unfamiliar with investing, dedicating time to learn or hiring a professional can be beneficial. Last but not least, protection. Protection encompasses measures to safeguard oneself from unexpected events like illnesses or accidents and to preserve wealth. This includes life and health insurance, as well as estate and retirement planning.